ब्रह्मणे कविकवीनां गोस्त्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पदान शृण्वन्नोदिविष्टिदसादरं प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वादेभिर्मोरेभ्यो सर्वेभ्यो सर्वधर्मार्मकायं सूर्यानां भवानां ग्रहाणां RBO.
Sanctioning loans under PM Swanidhi scheme. So far we have sanctioned 3,700 individual cases and around 1,900 are in process. So we are directly helping to people who are at the down strata of the society, so that they should come up, they should come and take advantage of banking infrastructure, banking facilities, so that they will grow further and bank will help them further also. Apart from PM Swanidhi, we will also sanction loans under PMEGP, Stand Up India and others, because State Bank is directly helping all those people who are downtrodden, who are not getting any support from anywhere, and we are supporting Government of Telangana for all such activities. New branch here. This is Housing Board Colony branch Jedcherla, to serve the customers of this area, because this is a growing area, so customer will be benefited. Already branch has sanctioned car loan. They have opened savings account. How many savings you have opened?
Till now
30 savings accounts they have already opened, and they will focus on housing loan and also business loans, so gold loans. So whoever will come, they will also go out. So both way, customer will come here, our officer will go.
Good morning to all of you and citizen of the Jedcherla. It is a happy moment for that. This is the 4th branch we are opening in Housing Board Colony in Jedcherla. This area was deprived of the banking facility. People used to go to the Long Bay to other branches. Now they will get banking facility, their proximity to their residence, and I have seen that this area is particularly the residential area. So all type of loan, housing loan, car loan, personal loan, gold loan, and for the businessmen also we are providing Mudra loan, Stand Up India, other SME loan, so that they can take the advantage of the bank and they can grow their business. Also a smaller segment also, like our GMs are told that PM Swanidhi scheme, that government for the vendor, street vendor loan, they will also get support from the branch, and also opening up account, come to open the account to our branch and get many more services like financial services, technological service, and once you visit the branch, later on you will use the technology of the bank. So no, you need not to frequently the branch, you will get the relief from the frequently coming to the branch. So this is the happy moment for again I congratulate to all the people of this area, and they can take the great benefit of this branch. Our staff are very supportive. They will provide you best service, and they will deliver also door-step service wherever required to the people. So again my compliment to all the people, my team, Mahbub Nagar RBO. They will